Hey guys, this is Yogesh Ravi at The Learning Candle. In this video, I'm gonna address an issue faced by the Java beginners. We might learn the very basics of Java and then write a program or two in the text editor. All good, but then the question arises: how to run the Java code? Like, what kind of software is required, and how do I make my PC run this code? In this video, let's find the solution to these questions.
And here we are in the desktop. I'm running Windows 10, and let me go to Microsoft Edge browser, and let me go to Google, and in the Google search bar let me search Oracle, and in the Google results let me click on the first result, which will take me to oracle.com, and then let me place the cursor on menu and then on Java and then Java SE. Let me click Java SE and let me scroll down, and then in development platform, Java platform standard edition, let me click that. Okay, and then Java SE at a glance, and then let me scroll down a bit to find Java SE 10.0.1. let me download it by clicking on it, and then in this table we have 3 files, out of which we have to download JDK and JRE. Let me download JDK first, and then here let me accept the license agreement, and then here there are files for various products. Okay, let me click on Windows, which has a size of 390 MB, and let me save this. Let it download at the background, and let me go back to the previous page, and then let me click the download link for the JRE. Let me accept the license agreement, and here we have a Windows version. Click on the 100 MB Windows version here, and then save it. Okay. Now that we have downloaded the files, let me go and install them, both the JDK and the JRE. Let me go to the File Explorer, and then let me go to the downloads, and here it is, the JDK and then the JRE. First, let us install JDK by double clicking on it. And yes, I want to install. And here is the window. Let me click on next, next. And then here's a new window, and then let's click next here too. The JDK is now installed, so let me press close, and now let me install JRE by double clicking on it, and then yes. Okay, and here is the window, and let me click on install again and let it install. Okay, it's done, so let's close it, and then both the JDK and the JRE is installed. Now that we have installed JDK and JRE, let me write a simple Java program to test it by compiling and executing the written Java program. So to write a Java program, simple one, let me search for Notepad. Let me open it, and then let me write a very simple Hello World Java program. Okay, and here I have written a simple Java program, the Hello World program, and let me now save it by clicking on File and then Save As. Okay, let me give the name to the Java file. Okay, we give the name of the class file here to the name of the Java file itself. So in this program, the class's name is Hello World. So I'm going to name the Java file as Hello World .java, and then in the Save As type, I'm going to click on it and change to all files, and then let me press save. Okay, and then it is saved. Let me open the command prompt by searching for it. Okay, I opened command prompt. Let me set the path of the installed Java files to the command prompt by typing path equals followed by, let me minimize it, let me go to the file explorer, and then let me go to the C drive. Okay, let me go to program files, Java, JDK, bin, and let me find for the Java application. Here is the Java application. I need the address where this Java application is on the memory. So let me click on the address bar here and let me copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, and let me minimize it, and let me go back to the command prompt screen, and let me paste this. Now the JDK is set to the path of the command prompt. Now let's change the directory to address where we have saved our helloworld.java program. So let me change the directory by typing in cd followed by the address where we have stored our hello world program. So in this case, let me go to file explorer again, and let me go to documents, let me go to Java, and then here I have the hello world.java. So let me copy the address by clicking on the address bar here and copying the address by pressing Ctrl+C again. Let me minimize it, and after cd giving a space, and let me paste here the address. Okay, so now I'm in the Java directory in the documents folder. So let me compile the hello world program. So to compile, let me type java c followed by the name of the Java file. It's hello world.java. Okay, seems like nothing happened. Okay, not to worry, it's a good thing. Okay, if it doesn't show anything, the thing is, it program doesn't have any error. Okay, so let me show something. Okay, let me go to the file explorer back, and in the documents and in the Java folder, we have a new file called as helloworld.class. We created helloworld.java, but suddenly there is a new file called as helloworld.class. Okay, this is because when you try to compile this helloworld.java, what happened is it created the class file called as helloworld.class, which is the object file. And let's run this object file to run our hello world program. Okay, let me minimize it and back to the command prompt, and to run the class file, let me type in Java followed by the name of the class file. In this case, it's still hello world. No need of any extensions like in the previous case we used .java. So let me press enter, and here it is. We have successfully printed hello world, and we have done our first program.